In a world where unboxing has become an experience of its own, packaging plays a crucial role in shaping customer perception. While retail store packaging focuses on convenience and quick access, online order packaging needs to build excitement, protection, and brand identity. Let's explore the key differences and ways to stand out in both arenas. First impressions. When customers order online, they don't get immediate access to their purchase. The unboxing is their first physical interaction with your brand. Therefore, packaging should create excitement and reflect your brand identity. Branded boxes, custom tissue paper, and personalized touches like thank you notes can leave a lasting impression. Packaging in retail stores is often about convenience. Customers already know what they've purchased, so the packaging is more about function than form. However, standing out with eco-friendly bags or unique designs can help leave an impression. Protection versus presentation. For online purchases, ensuring the product arrives in perfect condition is essential. This requires more protective materials such as bubble wrap, padding, or sturdy boxes. However, balancing protection with presentation is key. Customers appreciate thoughtful packaging that is both secure and aesthetically pleasing. In retail, protection is less of a concern since customers transport the item themselves. Simple bags or boxes often suffice. To stand out, consider adding little extras like branded ribbons or reusable tote bags that can reinforce your brand. Personalization. Adding a personal touch to online packaging can set your brand apart. Handwritten thank you notes, personalized stickers, or small freebies make the unboxing experience more memorable. Customization helps build a connection with the customer, creating a sense of loyalty. While retail packaging is generally standardized, incorporating small elements of personalization such as gift wrapping or name tags during checkout can enhance the experience and encourage repeat visits. Brand storytelling through packaging. Online orders offer an opportunity to extend your brand story. Insert cards, flyers, or branded tissue paper that aligns with your company's values can help communicate your message. A sustainable brand might emphasize eco-friendly packaging, while a luxury brand may focus on elegance and refinement in every detail. Brand storytelling in retail packaging is less prominent but still possible. Using packaging that aligns with your brand's color scheme or core values can subtly communicate your brand's identity to customers as they leave the store. Sustainability and eco-friendliness. As customers become more environmentally conscious, offering eco-friendly packaging options for online orders can make a significant difference. Biodegradable materials, recycled paper, and compostable packaging resonate with today's consumers, setting your brand apart from competitors. Retail stores can stand out by offering reusable or recyclable packaging. Cloth bags, minimal plastic usage, or even incentives for customers who bring their own packaging contribute to a positive brand image. Customer experience. The unboxing experience can be a powerful marketing tool. Beautiful packaging that's Instagram-worthy encourages customers to share their experience online, giving your brand free exposure. Focus on creating a memorable, shareable moment. In-store packaging can enhance the purchase experience. Simple additions like branded gift wrapping or a premium shopping bag can evoke feelings of luxury and care. Make customers feel special even after they leave the store. Whether packaging online orders or preparing products for retail, the goal is to leave a lasting impression. While online orders emphasize protection and brand presentation, retail packaging should focus on convenience and subtle brand reinforcement. Standing out in both areas can be achieved by incorporating personal touches, being eco-friendly, and ensuring that packaging reflects your brand's values. The small details can transform a simple package into a memorable customer experience.